Today, we are going to be showing you how to remove and protect against green growth on a patio using a step-by-step process that is really easy to follow. All you'll need is Everbuild Patio Wizard, a face mask and protective goggles, of course, bucket and water, and a brush. Everbuild Patio Wizard is the ultimate mold and algae treatment that cleans all types of green growth, algae and fungi, as well as providing long-lasting prevention against regrowth. This fast-acting formula can be used on paved areas such as patios and driveways prior to painting, staining or sealing. When using Everbuild Patio Wizard, ensure you are wearing suitable protective equipment. Dilute with water at a maximum rate of 1 part Everbuild Patio Wizard to 9 parts water. Mix briefly before applying. Ensure any debris such as leaves, twigs, loose soil or weeds are removed from surfaces to be treated prior to application. Apply by watering can with a rose sprayer, garden sprayer and paintbrush, or sweeping brush depending upon the area to be treated. Whilst this product is designed to be safe to use on most water-safe surfaces, we recommend that you test a small, inconspicuous area if unsure. Apply at an approximate rate of 1 litre per 3 to 6 meters squared. After applying, simply leave for 1 to 3 days and the green growth will simply disappear, in a similar manner to the way weed killers work. On heavily soiled surfaces, a second application may be required. We do hope that you enjoyed that tutorial, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.